Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to check backup data on Google account. So there are two ways on how to see your backup photos or backup data. First, you have to go to your Google Photos or Photos, and then here what you're going to do is you just have to simply click this photos right here and make sure that you're currently logged into that specific Gmail account or email account, and here you will see all the photos that you have backup. If you haven't turned on your backup photos, just tap your profile, go to backing up, and it will back up all your photos right here. The second thing to check your Google backup is you have to simply exit your photos and go to your Google web browser. And then here you have to simply search for Google. And then you have to make sure that you're logged in to the correct email or Gmail account. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to click this nine dots right here. And then you have to look for photos. Here, you will see all the photos or data that you have backup. Make sure that you have turned on backup in order for you to see your photos right here. If you haven't, same thing. You just have to click your profile and then turn on backup. So basically, these are a few methods or at least two methods in how to check backup data on Google account. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.